So when I came here 4 years ago, this water was up to there. See the line?
Which line?
Where the watermark is, where the green has got to. It was full of there, full of rubbish, including a motorbike.
Underneath
The balconies, yes.
Originally when they did it.
So now they have taken out the water to the bottom there, and they think there's another 90 metres to go. And they have found in there an old motorbike, fish,
Lots of things.
and they're planning to develop.